Hey, listen guys, before you get pissed off at the title of this video, because obviously I'm not fat, take a look at these pictures of me before I came to Argentina. Obviously I was significantly leaner. Now my abs are not as clear. You can't see the striations here, and especially after a day of eating, like my belly is freaking massive. I was gonna take you guys through a day of how I eat here in Argentina. It's gotten a little bit better because I kind of went all out when I got here because the food is so amazing. But if you guys are curious as to how I eat to stay relatively lean, a little bit less lean than normal, let's get into how I eat today. So you guys may be aware of the Argentino breakfast, which typically involves a pastry and a coffee. They have started to implement eggs now that they have realized that it's a little bit more healthy than just a pastry. But if we go back to when I was working, I either did not eat breakfast, I was intermittent fasting and I had a couple black coffees, or I had, a bunch of eggs. Now, that's not the case anymore. Now we're gonna go eat some beautiful medialunas. Ahí está, chicos, mis medialunas, mi café con leche.
Was platform, so hand out to the new, get their act together and do at
the face, the guy body slams her.
You guys know what's about to go down. Let's do it.
It's a photo for the night.
I know there's gonna be people in the comments telling me that this isn't healthy. I'm just not gonna listen to you because you cannot tell me that this freaking steak with a couple of freaking eggs with a bunch of fruit on the side is not healthy. Nobody's gonna tell me that. Like there's just no way. So you can try in the comments, you can try say what you're gonna say, but whoa! I just flicked food across the room. I know exactly what time of day it is. On a Sunday, we are going to go hit the park and do some rollerblading. Also, we are gonna eat some ice cream because the point of this video is that I am getting fat, so I got to do that. So without further ado, let's go get some freaking ice cream, some freaking rollerblading. Guys, Sunday's here. That's why I'm getting fat here. Look at this. Hoy un cuarto kilo para llevar, con banana split, dulce de leche y vainilla, por favor. As you guys know, if you order para llevar, they give you a styrofoam thing and it stays frozen for longer, doesn't melt as quick as you walk. So guys, as I said, this is what makes me fat here because I eat this like 3 or 4 times a week. Now, I don't get this size. This size I only get on Sundays when I go to do some rollerblading because at least I'm burning some calories and I'm going for a big massive walk to the park. When I go back to Canada, I don't have this stuff. Like, it's just not this good. So might as well get fat here, and then when I go back to Canada, lean up again. Sounds like a good plan, right? Beautiful buildings on all sides. We got the worst placed bike lane of all time, just literally in the middle of the pathway, and people walk on this all the time. Sorry guys, this is as still as I can keep it because I have to keep walking and the stabilization is not that good, but gonna have to deal with the wobbles. Always stuff going on, guys, always people. I love it. I love it. Target spotted, folks. Not the kid, the rollerblades. It's basically what I can do with my little ball. Basically that good. I'm delusional. All right, guys, as you can imagine, we are nice and freaking sweaty, as we should be. Half an hour goes by quick, but like after half an hour, I'm done. There's sweat dripping into my eyes, but good thing I brought water. Water. All right, good amount of sweat for today, good amount of exercise, making up for that ice cream I ate. Woo! Guys, I could so picture myself just being that guy hanging out with a dog at the park, getting some sun, playing with the ball. I could see myself doing that, honestly. Back at Don Julio's on a Sunday, it is probably 6, 7 o'clock. So foreigner dinner time. Don't want to get hit by a car here. And let's see if it's busy. It is entirely possible. But we are busy. They have a co-op stationed here like 24/7. Oh, it's empty. There's actually tables. Oh, that's not. There's room on a Sunday. Sunday at 6, 7-ish o'clock. Victoria, by the way, this is an empanada tutorial that you asked for. So once you have cooked the meat, it's all done, you leave it to cool down, because if you try to make the empanadas while the meat is hot, it doesn't work. As we let this cool down, we will throw the 2 hard-boiled eggs inside. Also at this point, when I go to turn these things on, I'm taking this out of the fridge to warm up a little bit. I don't know if that makes a difference, but that's what I'm doing. As I like to add cheese, this is my touch, but I add a little bit of cheese to my empanadas.
Alright. That is cute. I think it's like...
Alright, Victoria, are you ready? We take our tapa and we put it in our hand like this. Some water on your finger from a cup nearby and put it on the edges. Boom. More water. Do-do-do-do-doom. Water, water, water on the edges. This makes it stick better when you put it together. Place the material in. Give it a good little smush so that it stays in place. Let it go. Connect the top here. Boom, connected. Try to close this end. Don't let anything fall out. We are closing this end as well as we possibly can. Making all the way up, back to the top. Lean it over this way. Shove the rest of this in and close this side as well. Now we flatten it out as much as we can. Boom, 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 boom. And pinch, twist. Pinch, twist. Pinch, twist. Pinch, twist. Pinch, twist. You're just pinching this part and you're twisting this corner just past it. Boom. 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 There we go. But I'm going to try with a couple of them
So it's
to stab it.
How did it pop? I remember something. Just to kind of have a better conversation. Be able to...
Okay guys, some would argue that these are not all fully done, but honestly this is to the point that I like it, so I am going to eat them like this. I don't see much of a difference between the hole poked ones. Nah, there's not that much of a difference.